Hey guys, it's Dozy. Sticking with our current theme that we've gone through in the past several videos about privilege escalation. Um, we've looked at get capabilities in one of the videos. There's also we're going to be doing a similar thing again now, looking at a different capability which has been set. I know I've talked about basic methodologies, something that you always want to follow, which is snooping around. Running the find command to see if you can find any files or resources that have got the SUID bit set, running sudo -l. And what you'll notice is as you get more experience, that methodology will grow. Now that's a good thing. That's what you want. You want to check every single avenue. But as you're beginning, you want to keep it basic, and then you know what you're doing, you know where to look next. As I've said before in the previous video, the next thing that we're looking at is get cap. Right? These are the capabilities that set something that we can potentially exploit to either get root or to read files that we should not be able to read. Right? So let's have a crack at that today. Get cap -r dev null. Right. So what we've got here is we've got the tar binary, which has the CAPDAC read set on there. So what we've got here, let's read up more about this. So we've come here, I've got the Linux page, however you want to pronounce it, it's your choice. Let's type in CAPDAC. Let's see what we've got. The CAPDAC read set. So it's bypass file read permission checks and directory read and execute permission checks. Okay, that's interesting. So tar is traditionally used to archive files, compress them. Right, so if we're using that, we should be able to read files that we should normally don't have access to, right? So what's a sensitive file? Let's try shadow. Cat etc shadow. We should not be able to access this, and we can't. All right. Okay, tell you what. Let's create a tar archive, and we'll put in the temp directory, and we're going to add the shadow file to it. All right. So let's do it. I think is it tar? Let's hope this is right. I'm sure it's like this. Shadow.tar.gz or gz. I don't know why I'm saying z for. Shadow. Oh, in fact, no, that's not going to work. No, that's not going to work. I need to be in the etc directory because that's where the file is. Let's try again now. Up. Error is not recoverable. Exiting now. Cannot write a broken patch. I'll return to status. Ah, that's why. I've got to stop making these minor mistakes. But hey, yo, that's how we learn. And it's still not accepting it. And that is because I've put a / here. Third time lucky, guys? Yes, it is. Let's cd into the temp directory. Let's see what we've got here. Let's clear this. It goes back to the top. Let's ls. Okay, there we go. That's the file we've just archived, right? We've created, and it should be shadowing. So let's extract that, right? How do we extract? I'm sure it's tar-cxf, is it? I'll find out in a second. Delete this label, blah blah blah. Let's see if that's worked. No, it's not worked. Right, let's see if there's another way to extract. Let's search. Extract tar files. Let's Google it. How to extract tar files. Use the tar-xf. Right, so try the tar-xf just on its own. So we don't need the C in there. Let's try that. Okay, that's worked. Nice. We've got the shadow file in there now, right? Now let's cat etc shadow. Let's see. And it's still permission denied. Why is that? Why is that still denied? Let's try something else. So it's not worked on shadow. LSLE. Well, that should work. So why is that not working? Okay. That's why. I've put Etsy shadow. That's me going bananas. Cat shadow. Oh, yes. Very nice. And what do we have here? We have now the root hash, which we can crack. And there you go, guys. That's how we exploit this capability, which has been set to our advantage. Just like this. It took us a bit of going to get started, but we've got there in the end. I really hope you've enjoyed this video, and thank you very much for your time.